Nebraska Republicans face a very important decision on Tuesday. It's not just a choice between three very different candidates for the United States Senate. It's a choice that will determine whether or not our country is going to get back on track, whether we will restore the things that have made America great. In 2008, a majority of Americans voted for a flashy presidential candidate who they really didn't know that much about. It has not worked out well. In this Republican primary, I'm not the flashy candidate, and I'm not the new face that people don't know much about. What I am is a genuine lifelong conservative who Nebraskans know and trust. I'm a candidate whose record proves that he'll vote the same way in Washington as he talks in Nebraska. That's why I have the support of conservative, proven leaders, United States Senators Rand Paul, Jim DeMint, and Mike Lee. That's why I have an A rating from the National Rifle Association and have been endorsed by all of the major pro-life organizations of the state of Nebraska. It's also why I have the support of President Ronald Reagan's Attorney General Ed Meese, radio talk show host Mark Levin, Freedom Works, Tony Perkins FRC Action, Eagle Forum, Eric Erickson of Red State, and other conservative leaders. When I filed for office back in January, I said that to go in a new direction, we need a very different kind of United States Senator. A person with a proven record of accomplishment on behalf of the things that Nebraskans value most. A senator who at long last will put the next generation ahead of the next election and principle above political party and political ambition. Our next senator must understand both the nature of the challenges facing our country and the nature of public service. That statement is even more true today. With Barack Obama and Harry Reid taking America even farther in the wrong direction, we can't afford to send them reinforcements in the person of Bob Kerrey. And we can't afford to send a Republican who doesn't have the right principles, the right plan, the right ethics, and the right experience. We have to get it right on primary day just as much as on election day. Some Republicans have contributed to the spending crisis that we're facing as a country. Either they weren't up to the challenge or they paid lip service to changing Washington, but instead let Washington change them. I will go to the United States Senate to change Washington, not to fit right in. Our country's going in the wrong direction because too many people in Washington have forgotten the values that make America great. They were more interested in furthering their political careers or currying favor with the lobbyists and the Senate leadership than in doing what needs to be done to solve America's problems. Just look at the deficits, the debt, and the dysfunction in Washington if there's any question about it. Today, America's future is threatened by a federal government that is too big, too powerful, and spends too much. We've reached a crisis point that demands that we send to Washington an experienced, principled leader, not more ambitious politicians. Throughout the campaign, I've offered concrete solutions to the problems facing our country. Not sound bites, but specifics on restoring economic growth, cutting spending, reducing regulation, defending our values, and protecting America. You can find them all at stenbergforsenate.com. I will be prepared on day one to get to work and to join with Senators Mike Lee, Jim DeMint, and Rand Paul, all of whom have endorsed me, and who are working hard to change the way that things are done in Washington. We desperately need new leadership in Washington to restore our nation. That's why I'm running for the United States Senate, to cut federal spending and reduce the size and power of the federal government, to lift the heavy burden of regulation, to restore religious liberty and defend our values. I'm running so that my 4 children and 8 grandchildren, and your children and grandchildren, will inherit the same great nation from us that our parents and grandparents worked so hard to leave for us. That's why Nebraska voters should send me to the United States Senate. I'm a genuine lifelong conservative. I have a proven record of fighting for the values we share. I have a plan to fix things, and I didn't change who I am or the things I believe just to run for public office. I'll stand up to the Republican leaders in Washington if they don't keep their promises to repeal Obamacare, balance the federal budget, reduce the heavy burden of federal regulation, develop our domestic energy resources, and secure our borders. You can trust me to fight for Nebraska values because I always have. At this point in our history, that's what we need. A senator who will put principle first before we lose the best of America. I'm Don Stenberg, a genuine lifelong conservative, a man Nebraskans know and trust. If you want a senator you know will vote as conservatively in Washington as he talks here in Nebraska, then I would appreciate your vote for Don Stenberg for the United States Senate. Thank you.